Hello my sparers, welcome back to my channel. It's Keisha Simsima, and today I will be doing a special video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you want to see what the special video is all about, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this video is special deliveries. No, I'm lying. Okay, so this video is my thrift collection of my, I would say, hoodies, pullovers, and sweat tops, which I love so much. I was never a sporty person. I was not into like sport fashion and stuff like that, but stuff like that. I find myself saying that word so much, but anyways, I find myself, I don't know if because of age, I started looking more towards stuff that are very comfortable. So I grabbed myself a few stuff and I wanted to show it to you guys, and it's a try on collective all. So here we go with the first one. Hope you guys love it. So this one is Yale University, and I love it. And it's in the color gray. And not only that, I've been trying to hunt down champion sweaters because they're so freaking expensive at the store. So I got this one. I got it, and I so love it. And it's spring now. Today is the 3rd day of spring. So it's top is right in. So today's the 3rd day of spring, and I just figure like these, because it's not as warm, I could wear them a lot. So that there goes my Yale sweater. And I told my daughter that I love it so much. What if I'm wearing it and people think that she's so smart? What are you taking? I'm doing law. Yeah. But, and so the second one is this Adidas sweater. I really like this Adidas sweater, and it's in the color red. And I happened to get this Adidas yellow and red runners. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to pair them together. But this is like a vintage Adidas sweater. You can see the Adidas sign at the top, and it's like plasticky. It's very plasticky, so can't wait to wear it. Here it goes, Adidas. And I believe I paid like $5 for each. No, I'm lying. $10 for each of these. And thirdly, this is like a pullover. It's like those vintage, and I love vintage pieces. Vintage Tommy Hilfiger sweater, pulloverish. And it does have pockets here. Oh, I'm trying to get the pockets. You'll see it somewhere above me in my try-on area. So it has pockets, and it has that, you know, Tommy Hilfiger thing there, sign there. So I know I'm gonna be loving it, and it's in a spring color, my favorite color. No, it's not my favorite color, but my favorite spring color for 2018. It's yellow. Somebody's watching me. And here's another one, Harvard University. You can tell, guys, that I'm actually dreaming. Yale, Harvard. But it's okay. It's okay. I love it. And I think I would look smart in it. So smart, super smart. And again, it's a champion brand. And I have been like looking, hunting down like champion brands. I believe I found a few of them. I have more sweater than this that I've found, but honestly guys, it's all locked up somewhere in my garage because we have not, well, especially for myself, I've not unpacked most of my stuff. So most of the stuff that I'm wearing right now is actually new, and my older stuff are still in the garage, which I don't want to get rid of. So one day I have to go through those stuff before the summer comes, because we are planning on using our garages somewhere. Why am I talking about garage? Back to where I left off. Okay, so this is the fourth one, and my fifth collection is this Adidas Sweater, sweat top. I extremely love it. I love the color. I think it's so different. I honestly love the color. I love. The color is the first thing that got me, and when I grab it, I noticed that it was Adidas. I'm like, okay, I'm not leaving this. It has a little bit of stain at the side right there. You can see. You should be able to see it, but it's not, well, it's obvious on the camera, but it's not, I guess. I'm going to try to figure out how to get it out, but I don't want to spoil it by putting any harsh chemical on it, so I might just let it stay until it's slowly come out on its own. But for now, I am so in love with this sweater. I love it. I love it. I love it. I know for sure this one is going to get a lot of wear. It does not have any pockets, which I really do love pockets in my clothing, in my skirts, in my dresses, in my in whatever I wear. So so this is what my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 my fifth one, and this is my sixth, and it has a lot of distress on it, and I really like it. It's like a woody sweater, and I just love the distress the distress about this woody, that I'm in love with it. It's so soft, it's so comfortable, so I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. And it's not a big brand, but yeah, because of the comfortableness and the softness and the distress, I just gotta get it. And this is by the brand Urban ID. Not sure if it's a brand or not, but I really love this. I love it. And lastly guys, let me just grab it. This open, this I can wear like as a jacket kind of thing, and it's green, which is my favorite color. It has a spot there. I'm thinking it's somewhere, it's my makeup or something, but because I don't believe it was there. But, and yes, it has pockets, and yes, it's design. Look at that design, which is Juicy Couture. I love this. I so love it. And again, it's in that lime green color, which is like a spring color. So I will be wearing this, I was gonna say shirt, but this sweaterish sweater a lot. So there go my collection. I just started collecting sweat tops and pullovers because I'm trying to get more comfortable. Because I believe my daughter was going to throw away one of her bench pullover, and I'm like, no, that's too expensive. I was the one that purchased that, so I took it from her and I started wearing it, and I felt how comfortable and soft it was. So ever since then, I started to collect and started, whenever I see any sweaters and stuff on sale, I try to grab a few. So that's my all for today, guys, and I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great month. And thanks for stopping by. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and you will see more of these videos. And there's lots that I have in store for you guys. So again, I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great month.